Hello, my name is CG-IE2.1-2401 and today I'm going to be your IELTS instructor, maybe for the last time. So, what's your name?
My name is Trà My.
Okay, Trà My. Your test has got 3 parts. First, I am going to ask you simple questions. Then I'm going to give you a topic, time to prepare, and time to answer and talk about it. And finally, I'm going to ask you some questions related to this topic. Do you understand? Yes? Okay, so let's start now. Can you tell me your full name and what does it mean?
My name is Trà My, and according to my parents, my name is basically a name of a flower, a beautiful flower. They named me after that flower because I think that the flower means an important thing to them.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam.
And do you currently work or study?
I'm currently studying at Thai secondary school.
And which subjects do you attend in school?
We have a lot of subjects in schools. It varies a lot into our daily life, like English, math, literature, and many things.
And which ones are the ones you like the least?
I think it is currently math because when I learned math a long time ago, I had a hard time understanding and calculating many numbers and questions.
Okay, let's move on to traveling and space. Do you want to travel through outer space?
I think yes, because in the outer space we can experience and find more planets that we can live on. Day by day, the Earth is getting more crowded, so I think we should find a new ecosystem or a new planet so we can live on.
What would you do if you had an opportunity to travel in space?
I will collect rocks or even look at many stars, even if it will burn my eyes, but I can still walk on the moon or walk on many planets to experience its gravity.
Do you think it's important to study stars?
I think the stars are complicated to many scientists and to people like us. It have many meanings, and I think it's pretty important.
Now let's move on to jewelry. Do you like to wear jewelry?
Jewelry is kind of expensive, and it makes people more beautiful, so I kind of like to wear it.
And what type of jewelry do you usually use?
I prefer silver or like a necklace or a piercing because I'm allergic to gold, so I'm supposed to wear silver.
Have you ever given jewelry as a gift to someone?
Jewelry is like a special or like an expensive thing to give to other person. So I often give it to someone special in my life.
Where do people buy jewelry in your city?
There are a lot of jewelry shops like P&I that are famous around Vietnam. It often sells expensive or into cheap jewelries, but have high quality.
Okay, now we're going to move on to part 2. I want you to describe a person that you like to work or to study with. Okay? You need to tell me who is that person, how long have you known this person, how did you meet this person, and why you like and you want to continue studying with this person. Okay? You are going to have 1 minute to prepare and then 2 minutes to talk about it. Your time starts now. Okay, you can start speaking now.
So in my school, my friends do have a big impact on me, and I would say that I like to work and study with my best friend, also called Mimi. He is particular, very amazing and very intelligent. And we met in 6th grade when I enrolled in wintertime secondary school. I thought he was a little boring, but when I make friends with him, I was partially impressed by the way he talks, he thinks, and the way he do his equations. He helps me a lot with my studies. He has a scholarship, so I think that he is very clever. He helps me with my homework. He often thinks that I'm a clever student, but he is very he is very clever too. We've met 3 years. I've known pretty much about him, but I think that he hasn't. I haven't improved much, but he has improved a lot in his studies, and I think he can help me with my work and my studies along secondary school. I think he's a pretty amazing friend.
Okay. Now, moving on to part 3. I would like you to tell me what are the benefits of being surrounded by good students? What are the benefits of being surrounded by good students?
So being around good students have like a big impact on me, but because my class has an average of 25 students in top of the school, and I think that they will help me with my work because working in a team or a group with them, they can help me to understand more things in daily life or more questions that I don't know.
And what things do you think, how do you think a class can be more united, more friendly with each other?
I think that we should have conversations with each other to know more unique and unusual things about us, our habits, and we should know more about each other so we can have more common things to talk with each other.
Okay, this is the end of your speaking test.